3, 2, 1.
Thanks to you guys. Welcome to MiningCoinApps&Airdrops. My name is Desmond. If this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel or coming across my video on YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be getting updates on mining apps and airdrop. Okay, today I'll be teaching you how to mine SDS coin freely with your mobile phone. SDS coin is similar to that of CBDC and Avive, and it has potential to do great in the future. Okay, if you look at the interface, currently I'm on the SDS coin website. You can see it from the URL link there. Now the first thing you do, if you don't have an account, you come to start. You have to download the app before you can register. Now you can't get the app on Google Play Store currently because it's not on Google Play Store now. So the first thing I'll do, I'll click on start. Now when you open this place, you have some information here. You have start joining us, download the Secondspace application, receive free airdrop, and overlook the world. What you are waiting for? Join our digital economic leader and explore a wide space. Now we have different. If you want to download the app, we have America, Hong Kong, Japan, Singapore, Vietnam, and global. But for me, I have already downloaded the app. The one I downloaded is global. So now the next thing we do, I already downloaded the app, so let's go to the app. Now this is the app. Now I have not registered yet, so I'm going to put you through on how to register while I do that also over here. Now the first information we have here is SDS login. Now if you look at this place, you see English. You can as well change your language here to the language which you can easily understand. Now you can log in with either your you can log in with either of your Facebook or Google, but that is if you have accounts that is either related to any of them. Now, or you can use your email and you put your password. Now for those that don't have an account and they want to open account with SDS coin, the first thing you do, you come to no account starts registration. You have to download the app before you can register. You can't register on the app, and sites. You can't register on their website. You have to download the app before you can register, and you can't get the app on Google Play Store. So let me click on registration, start registration. I'll click here because I don't have an account yet with them, so I'll click here. I'll click on it. Now the next information here says welcome to Secondspace. In order to ensure fairness and security, we prohibit multiple account registration. Thank you for your cooperation and support. So if you want to open multiple accounts, it is prohibited. You can't do that. Probably it will read your IP, so to avoid your accounts to be blocked, don't do that. So you register with your email. You put your email there, you enter your password, you confirm password, then captain ID. Your captain ID is your invitation code. Now the good thing about this app is that you can't join this app without invitation code. Someone has to invite you. This is for security reasons, so that to avoid bots and spamming. So someone has to invite you, and there's no how you can join without invitation code. So I'll be doing the registration shortly so you can just follow along. I'll pause this video and do the registration, and after that I'll begin it. registration successful. Okay, now this is something I observe. You can't register with your password. Now your password should only be alphabetic. Don't mix it with numbers and a string or digits, just only alphabetic. Now I have registered and it has opened the platform received here. Then we have core value, then we have team value, then we have summon, then we have my SDS Coin value. Now if you look at the core value, it is 0.6k. Now my team value is nothing yet, 0. Now let me click on this receive. When I click on this receive, this value here will change. So let me click on receive and see receive successfully. Now you can see I have earned some SDS coin. So I have to be clicking on this receive every 1 hour. At the down part of this app, we have team here, we have materials, we have SDS, we have detection, backpack detection. Now let me first of all click on team. When I click on team, I don't have any members yet in my team, nobody yet, because I haven't referred anyone. You can see level 1, nobody yet. Level 2, nobody yet. So I don't have anyone in my team. So I'll click on material. This is material. I'll click on material. You see prompts, sorry, the feature is not available to you at the moment. We recommend that you follow our Twitter or join the community to get latest feature updates and open information. We believe that as long as you keep following our news, there is a better chance of getting this feature. Thank you for your support and patience. I'll click on got it. So let me click on SDS. If I click on SDS, let me see what's there. Now if I click on SDS, it brings me back to the home page. Now let me click on detection. If I click on detection, it shows me detector is idle. You can see detection is idle. Okay, when I click on detection, this is detection. What we have here is detector is idle. You can see it on this place here, but there are some other information here. It says lunar probe, Mercury probe, gold probe, Jupiter probe, Earth probe. Now you can create a team successful. So if I click on team, it shows information detecting. Now I don't know the use of that yet, but I'll study it to know. But I know create a team means summon a card. Okay, now if we come to backpack, is it prompts? There's a prompt notice here. Say sorry, this feature is not available to you at the moment. We recommend that you follow our Twitter to join the community. So let me come back to the SDS, the home page. I've come back to the home page. Now the next thing, let me click on summon. If I click on summon, newcomers, you can see if you click on summon, it shows you your summon value. It says reward for newcomers is 600. I have completed that. Complete, you can see. Now Twitter follower, follow Twitter, follow the Twitter official Twitter to get extra. Now I have not done that, but I'm going to do that shortly. And newcomer tags, it's a newcomer tags, invite 5 teammates. This information here, it says invite 5 teammates within 5 days to get reward. I haven't done that because I'm just getting to use this app now. You can see the next notice that says invite level 1 teammates 0, so I have to do all these tasks to get my complete reward. But the reward so far I've done is just by using the invitation code to register, which earned me 600 SDS coin. Now I'll go back to the home page. One thing I'll tell you, and it's just a new app with a positive feature. Now the more you invite, the more reward you earn, but you have to take notes. You have to click on this receive every 1 hour to earn your coin. So the more you refer, the more profit you earn. To refer others, and it's just like Avive and CBDC, and so it's just similar. You have to click on your receive and refer others. That's just the most important thing. Now let's go to their Twitter page and see their Twitter page. Now I'm following them on Twitter. This is their Twitter page, so you have to like their Twitter page so you can get your reward. Now I'm following them on Twitter. Now you can see it says through digital identity verification and smart contract technology, Secondspace can provide user with highly secure privacy protection and intelligent contracts. Now currently they have 22.6 thousand followers, and let's check who they are following. They are following crypto.com, NASA, and Tesla's Nessie and Xspace. So in case you check them on Twitter and you are not seeing this information, no, you are following the wrong page. Okay, if you scroll further, you can see some informations, and the page is active. So guys, if this video is helpful to you, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also register with my invitation code, because you need my invitation code to register. You can't join the platform without invitation code. Thank you guys, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Desmond. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye for now.